I'm Kevin, a school-based SLP. Writing goals for an IEP can eat up a lot of time we don't have, and many goals, well, they're not very measurable or really relevant to a student's needs. I turned to AI to give me some fresh ideas for IEP goals. Here's a prompt I wrote. It generates IEP goals based on a present level. So the key to this, and really using AI in any way, is what you put in is what you get out. If you simply just ask a model, write 3 goals for, say, a learning disability, and you don't give it any more data, it's going to spit out 3 very generic, unhelpful goals. But if you write a good present level, and you write a good prompt, you might get some helpful stuff out of it. So these goals look pretty good, and is what I was expecting. It gives you some ideas for intervention as well, too. Let's try one for social, emotional, behavioral needs. So you put the prompt in, you simply switch out the present level here. Say you don't like these goals. Say, for example, goal number 1 doesn't really work for you. What you can do then is you can give it feedback and just qualitatively describe what you want to see in goal number 1, and it'll rewrite it accordingly. So this is the one mistake I see a lot of people doing, is they just put a prompt in AI, and then if they're unhappy with the output, they just move on. You're really meant to dialogue back and forth with it. You need to use it to refine your ideas. So keep telling it what it's doing right, keep telling what it's doing wrong, keep putting in more data on the situation, and then you'll get the output you want. Lastly, here's a present level for someone with a disability in reading, and it really tailors the goals to the information you gave in the present level. So I hope you found that helpful. In a future video, I'm going to give you some strategies about how to write the present level itself. All the prompts I used today are available for free in the link below.